Hey YouTube, how we doing? Man, we got something really interesting in today. Seriously, this stuff is just unbelievable. I saw it, thought it was a gimmick. I went, hell yeah, I gotta try it. It showed up quick, so I gotta bring it to you guys. So stay tuned after I roll that intro, and you go see what came in that box. Alright YouTube, thank you so much for staying past that intro. As you saw by that title you clicked on, or thumbnail, whatever, we're going to take a look at the Royal Beardsmen Whiskey Glaze Beard Oil. Honestly, this is what made me pull the trigger on it. It says it smells like a shot of whiskey and a glazed donut. I laughed my ass off going talk about a cop superfood beard oil. Here we go. It does smell like a glazed donut. It does. You can find these guys at Tctbnl.com. I saw them via a Facebook ad, and that's what made me go, there's just no way. Instantly, I had to go there, check it out. I was like, wow. Now, this is what gets me. They began as an effort to provide a better solution for premium all-natural beard grooming products. And they are also doing something that I think is really cool, not cruel, sorry. They're striving to end, the negative misconception of you need to keep a beard out of the office in order to be professional. I never understood that. If you keep it neat, you keep it groomed, you're going to look good. If you look like an Aborigine cave guy, yeah, I can see why people might get upset. Now, the company's run by basically two really devoted guys for their beards, Sean and Garrett, and they also have a bunch of friends that, just wanted to get together and develop a brand/image that basically doesn't cut corners. Okay, I'm cool. I'm really cool with that. You want your image to stand for something. You want your company to stand for something. You want your brand to stand for something. Because if you think about it, brand ID nowadays is very critical for success on everything. When you're seeing a whole bunch of stuff on a shelf, you look for exactly that one that you're going for. You're not going down a shelf and going, well, here's this brand, this brand, this brand, this brand, that might be interesting. No, you sit and you go, hey, Royal Beardsman, there we go. Because you're looking for that. Now, they are made in the United States. I couldn't tell you exactly where because I couldn't find it on their website or their About Us section or just doing a little bit of digging. But you're made in the USA, I'm good. Seriously, I'm really, truly good with that. Now, what I love is they try to keep basically everything in-house. Like their online store, them uploading stuff and doing stuff and making changes. Their labels and their graphics, which I think are pretty freaking cool, they want to keep those in-house. Now, here's something I thought was beyond awesome. In the box, there was one sticker, two stickers. Now, one of these, here we go. Their business card with all their relevant little social media info. In this, I was like, okay. So I thought, what, did I get another business card? No. It was a card basically describing the beard oil. So I thought that was kind of freaking cool, which kind of set them apart a little bit. Now, it is a 2-ounce amber bottle with a little eyedropper top, which I love these things. Seriously, I really do. I prefer these so much more over those little spout tops that you got to tap the bottom. Oh, I hate those things. It does have a little bit of a yellowish tinge to it. Not a whole heck of a lot like other brands that I've brought to the channel. But that's okay. That's just how the scent profile mixes together. Now, like I said, its profile is a glazed donut and a shot of whiskey. Seriously, it really is. It's got a very medium scent strength to it. Man, when you put it on, seriously, for me, all I smell is the glazed donut. I barely ever smell the whiskey. When I first got it, because it's cold as balls here in the Pacific Northwest, I smelled the whiskey. But when it warmed up, glazed donut. That's all I'm smelling is glazed donut. I love this damn thing. Now, its 2-ounce jar on, royalbeardsman.com is going to run you $18.95. It's rated 4.5 stars out of 5 with 6 reviews. Over on Amazon, $22.74, but you get free shipping, and it hasn't been reviewed once. Now, before I give you all the carrier oils, we're going to do something a little different today, all right? if they don't kill me trying to get over here, we're going to have 2 little special guest stars. Now we're going to start with the cuteness factor. Come here. Come here.
It's actually 2 guests.
I know.
It's Aaron.
Okay. Hey, say hi.
Hi.
All right, baby. You know what we're going to do, right? You got to sniff.
Who's the second guest?
Don't worry about it. Sniff. What do you think?
Good.
Is it good?
Yeah.
All right, say goodbye to everybody.
Bye.
Right. Careful, careful.
That's the way I had to...
And we're going to have the brat. So come here.
The black. It's Amber.
Yeah. Shh. All right, say hi to everyone.
Hi.
All right, we're going to have you sniff. And if you say bird poop like you did on another one, I swear I'm going to slap you live on Facebook. Take a sniff. What do you smell?
Vanilla.
You smell vanilla. Anything else?
Nope.
Does it smell okay to you?
Yeah.
All right, cool. Say goodbye.
Bye.
All right, careful. Now get. All right. Well, they've been dying to get in a video, and yeah, well, the monkey's here too, so we'll see if we can work him in another video later on. Isn't spring break wonderful? And you wonder why I have a stress patch right there? You wonder? Okay, so the carrier oils are virgin argan oil, pure jojoba oil, and from my understanding with like jojoba oil, it basically mimics the oil that your body produces in order to help you grow your beard hair, so that's kind of cool. Vitamin E oil, sweet almond oil, apricot kernel oil, avocado oil, pumpkin seed oil, hemp seed oil, grape seed oil, and scented with premium grade essential oils. Guys, seriously, it smells like a glazed donut. It's freaking awesome. You gotta be careful when you're wearing it because I'm a fat boy and I'm looking for donuts. Seriously. But here's the fun part of the video for me. And this is the best part for me. I want to know what you think. That's right. Questions, comments, love, hatred, anger, whatever. Leave it down below in the comments section. You know I'm going to get back with you. Especially if you've used Royal Beardsmen before. I want to know your thoughts because this is my first experience with them. And I'm going to pull a trigger on probably about 2 other ones that look somewhat interesting. So I want to know what you guys think. I mean, seriously, I really, truly do. Oops. And before I get too much further, I'm sorry. If you've never used beard oil before, you've got to look at it as a vitamin supplement for your skin under your beard. All right? It's easy to use. Basically, you take the little eyedropper, get in however much oil you need, get it in your hands, rub it together so it coats both your hands, and work it into your beard. Like I said, it's more for the skin under your beard than it is for your beard. You just get the added bonus of having things smell really good when you're done. Now, as we can move on to the wonderful wrap-up, because I forgot that part a moment ago. For you first-time viewers of the channel, I want to thank you so much for taking a moment of your day to watch this video. I know your time is very precious to you, and I'm very grateful that you chose my video to watch, seeing how I know there's lots of other options out there on YouTube. Now, for you first-timers and you long-timers who did not do it at the beginning of the video, here's your second chance at redemption. Down below, I think it's going to be in that corner. Big channel symbol is going to pop up. Man, click on that thing, going to bring you right to subscribe. After you've knocked that out the way, go ahead, beat up the bell icon that's right next to it. Why? That's going to notify you, my amazing viewer, every single time that this channel uploads a brand new video. Now, speaking of videos, you guessed it, 2 are going to be popping up on that side of the screen. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my catalog that they think are great viewing experiences for you. But there we go, guys. My quick look at the Royal Beardsmen Whiskey Glaze Beard Oil. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day today.